Hello aspirants, welcome back to India for IAS. Hope all of you are doing well. So this is Manjunath. In this video, we are going to study about Afanasy Nikitin Seamount. This topic falls under GS1 paper geography section. GS1 paper geography section within geography under oceanography. Under oceanography. This topic is important with respect to prelims 2024, both for UPSC and KS prelims 2024. In this video, we are going to study about what is Afanasy Seamount, why it is in news, what are seamounts and gayards, and a brief study about International Seabed Authority, followed by one practice question. The Afanasy Nikitin Seamount was in news because of the following reasons. India applied to the International Seabed Authority in Jamaica for rights to explore two vast tracts in the Indian Ocean seabed. ಭಾರತ ದೇಶವು ಹಿಂದೂ ಮಹಾಸಾಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಲು ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಡೆಯುವುದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸೀಬೆಡ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Among the two regions, one is known as Afanasy Nikitin Seamount, which is rich in cobalt and it is claimed by Sri Lanka under different laws. ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರದೇಶವು ಅಫನಾಸಿ ನಿಕಿಟಿನ್ ಸೀಮೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರದೇಶವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಬಾಲ್ಟ್ ಎಂಬ ಒಂದು ಮಿನರಲ್ ತುಂಬ ಹೇರಳವಾಗಿ ದೊರೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಮೇಲೆ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ ದೇಶವು ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನ ಹಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಮಂಡಿಸಿರುತ್ತದೆ. India's application is partly motivated by Chinese activities near Nikitin Sea Mountain. So ನಿಕಿಟಿನ್ ಸಿ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ರೀಜನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೀನಾ ದೇಶವು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್, ಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆ ನಡೆಸಲು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಚೀನಾದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಾನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Afanasy Seamount is a structural feature in the central Indian basin. It is about 3,000 kilometers from India's coast with rich deposits of cobalt, nickel, manganese and copper. So in the following image, here we can see the location of Afanasy Nikitin Seamount. So it is from the India's coast, it is around 3,000 kilometers. It is away from 3,000 kilometers. And the region surrounding Afanasy Nikitin Sea Mountain is rich in deposits of cobalt, nickel, manganese and copper. In order to explore these mineral resources, the countries should apply for exploration licenses to International Seabed Authority. This International Seabed Authority, it operates under the United Nations Convention on the Law of Sea. The exploration rights apply to areas considered part of the open ocean, where no country can claim sovereignty. And around 60% of the world's seas are open ocean. So they are believed to be rich in mineral wealth. But extraction costs and challenges are very high. And so far, no country has commercially extracted the resources from open oceans yet. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ದೇಶವು ಸಾಗರದ ಆಳದಿಂದ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊರತೆಗೆದಿಲ್ಲ. Then countries have exclusive rights up to 200 nautical miles, including the underlying seabed from their borders, for commercial exploitation of mineral resources. So this 200 nautical miles boundary, it is called as exclusive economic zone. And the regions which are not part of the country's continental shelf or which are not fall within the 200 nautical miles, so they are considered as high sea and they are open for exploration with the permission of International Seabed Authority. India also applied for permission to explore the Carlsberg Ridge for polymetallic sulfides, which are rich in copper, zinc, gold and silver. ಭಾರತ ದೇಶವು ಕಾರ್ಲ್ಸ್ಬರ್ಗ್ ರಿಜ್ ರೀಜಿಯನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಕಾರ್ಲ್ಸ್ಬರ್ಗ್ ರಿಜ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೊಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಓಷನ್ ಬೇಸಿನ್. So far we have discussed that India applied for the mineral exploration in Afanasy Nikitin Seamount. So we also studied the location of Nikitin Seamount in Indian Ocean Basin. So now we have to understand what exactly is seamount. A seamount is a mountain with pointed summits. So it is a mountain with pointed summits rising from the sea floor that does not reach the ocean surface. So it rises from the sea floor, but it does not reach the ocean surface. So here we can see it is not touching the ocean surface. The seamounts are volcanic in origin. So they are volcanic in origin. The height of the seamount ranges between 3000 to 4500 meter tall. If this oceanic landform, if it crosses the oceanic surface, we call it as volcanic island. So here we can see this volcanic island crossing the oceanic surface. So if it is not crossing the oceanic surface, it is called as seamount. If it is crossing the oceanic surface, it is called as volcanic island. So there is a minute difference between seamount and volcanic island. So rest of the features are same. So over the period, what happens? This volcanic island, it undergoes marine erosion. So it undergoes marine erosion. Then it forms one more oceanic landform that is called as guyot. And this guyot is a flat-topped seamount. So in this image here, we can see that its top is flat. So it is not, it doesn't have any summit type, that is pointed edges at the top. So whereas in case of seamount, the top is pointed. It has summit like feature. Whereas in guyot, it is flat top. So that is the difference between guyot and seamount. Now we will briefly discuss about the International Seabed Authority. So International Seabed Authority is an autonomous international organization established in the year 1994. So its function is to regulate the mining and related activities in the international seabed beyond national jurisdiction, covering most of the world's oceans. ಇದರ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕೆಲಸವೇನೆಂದರೆ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಮುದ್ರ ತಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ ಮಾಡುವುದು. This International Seabed Authority was established as per the provisions of 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of Sea. This UNCLOS sets out the international law regarding territorial waters, sea lanes, and ocean resources. The headquarters of the International Seabed Authority is located in Kingston, Jamaica. ಸೊ ಜಮೈಕಾ ದೇಶದ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಟನ್ ಎಂಬ ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸೀಬೇಡ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿಯ ಹೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. Coming to the functions of International Seabed Authority. So the first one is granting licenses. The International Seabed Authority is responsible for issuing licenses for exploration and exploitation of mineral resources in international seabed. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸೀಬೇಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದು ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ಸ್. Then its second function is to regulation. So it regulates the activities related to the exploration and exploitation of mineral resources. So it ensures compliance with the international standards and guidelines. Its third function is environmental protection. The International Seabed Authority ensures that these exploration and exploitation of mineral resources activities are conducted in a manner that safeguards the marine environment from harmful effects. So this is all about the oceanic landform, that is Afanasy Nikitin Seamount, and why it was in news. India's application for mining and exploration activities in Afanasy Nikitin Seamount region. Then International Seabed Authority, its functions. Here we have provided one prelims practice question based on the topic that we have discussed so far. So go through the question and comment your answer. The answer and detailed explanation for this question is available in the PDF handout. The PDF handout also contains the detailed notes of the video. So you can join the Telegram channel and download that PDF. The link to join the Telegram channel is provided in the description box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.